Hello everyone, and welcome back. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to compress a video file using Handbrake step by step. This will help you reduce video size while keeping good quality, which is useful for sharing videos or saving storage space. So let's get started. First, open Handbrake on your computer. Once it launches, you will see the main dashboard. Now click on the Open Source button at the top left corner, or simply drag and drop your video file directly into the Handbrake window. After your video loads, wait a few seconds while Handbrake analyzes the file. Next, go to the right side of the screen and choose a preset. For beginners, select something like Fast 1080p 30 if your video is in Full HD, or Fast 720p 30 if you want a smaller file size. Once you select a preset, Handbrake will automatically apply optimized settings. Now move to the Format section and make sure MP4 is selected. This format works well across most devices and platforms. Next, click on the Video tab. Here, check that the video codec is set to H.264x264, which gives a good balance between compression and quality. Then locate the Constant Quality slider. Adjusting this slider controls file size and quality. A higher RF number will reduce file size, while a lower number keeps higher quality. For most users, an RF value between 20 and 23 works well. If you want an even smaller file, go to the Dimensions tab and reduce the resolution, for example from 1080p down to 720p. You can also go to the Audio tab and remove extra audio tracks if they're not needed. After adjusting everything, go to the bottom and click Browse. Choose a folder where you want to save your compressed video and give it a name. Finally, click Start Encode at the top of the window. Handbrake will now begin compressing your video. The time it takes depends on your video length and computer speed. Once it finishes, go to your Output folder and check the new compressed file. And that's it. You've successfully compressed a video using Handbrake after installation. Thanks for watching. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications for more video editing and tech tutorials. See you in the next one.